Yo, what's up? This is Sambo. Today, let me try to explain to you how you can actually create a table inside an Excel 365, Microsoft 365. There are several benefits to actually create a table inside an Excel sheet. The first one that I use often is actually to have an easy reference when I actually import this Excel sheet into SharePoint. The other benefit is that if you have many rows, in this example, there's only 5 rows or 5 records, it's not that you know, very useful to actually create a table, but for the purpose of this presentation, I would be able to create a table just based on this 5 row. The benefit is that with the formula in the row itself, the system will actually auto create the other calculation field for you. For example, in this table, I have the name of the student, the class, and the school fee itself, and how much the student have actually deposited already. I would like to actually find out how much it costs to, what is the total amount that is left for each of the student to pay to the school fee. In this case, if the table is not um, formulated in as a table, the Excel sheet itself, you need to actually do the formula by each row by row. So in this case, I do the for rows 2 for Joshua James by creating the school total cost of the school minus the total cost of the deposit. The same thing I have to do it for Jenny as well. The same thing I have to do it for Jack Wedge. Or of course, a little bit more advanced, you can drag it down and then you can press Control D inside your keyboard. You can see that here it takes some time to actually create it to find out what is the balance left for each of the student. If you actually use these list or an Excel sheet cell into the table, you would be able to do a formula as quickly as one click. For example, like in this example, with the same table, but it's formatted as a table itself, with just calculated in the first row, the system will actually do the automate, selection for you already. Imagine you have 10,000 of row. By just having one formula on the top row, system will actually auto calculate it for you. So this is one of the benefit. Um, the other benefit of the Excel sheet table. One thing you can tell whether the system turn, a cell or a row and a column, a matrix into a table is by looking at the way it look like. As you can see, there is a difference between the two, the color itself, the different shade, and the bowl in the header. So this is one thing that I can tell that this Excel sheet is considered as a table. So how you can actually do the created a table in Excel sheet from the normal matrix that you created. To do so, you basically select the entire matrix that you have to consider as table. You can go to home, you click on format as table, and you can select simply one of the um, design that you like. For example, I prefer an orange. I can just select one of these orange um, template. Basically, the difference is that here it is lighter color, medium color, and this is very dark color. And remember to click on my table has a header because you would like to make sure that the first row of your Excel sheet is considered as the header, so that you can actually do filter and the rest of the exploitation of the data itself. When you click OK, system automatically create the table for you. And as you can see here, there is already a filter that you can actually filter easily um, by the system itself. And on the left hand side, you can see that there is a name of the table here, which is considered as name file. You can change it to table, let's call it table student fee. So this is how you can actually refer to name of the table itself so that you remember it when you actually do the data manipulation in a different form in Excel sheet. So thank you for your attention, and if you find this video useful, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you can get all the alert from me whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye now.